Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about certain questions to be solved in data analytics, and these questions are like, we have a data set here. This is our data set, and in this data set our first question is, what is the average age in the data set? So we have to find out the average age of all our respondent here. What is the average age there? Next is, how many male and female are there? Like, we have male and female in the data set, so we have to count them and find out like how many are there. Next is highest income from the data set, like we have a certain income here if we want to find out the highest income. Next is, what is correlation between age and satisfaction? So like, if it's in positive, so there is a relation, some relation between age and satisfaction, but if it's in negative, if correlation negative, then there is no relation between, there is a little relation between age and satisfaction. Next is median age. Median age means like, what is the age, like if you will sort them in an order, so what are the number between like 5 and 6. So if these ages are in a sequence from A to Z, like from minimum to maximum, so what is the number which is come between? So that is the median we have to find out there. Next is, how many respondent has satisfaction more than 7. So you have to count, like we have different satisfaction which have more than 7 there. Next is percentage of respondent with bachelor or higher degree, like we have a different degrees here. So how many respondent have bachelor and higher degree? And next, average satisfaction rating for each education level. So for that we will create a certain questions here. So now we will do them one by one. So first of all is to find out an average. So to do an average, I will put equal to, and then I will put average, and I can just select the average. For the age, I will select this age range and enter. So here is the average age of our. So for that we have selected the age range and find out the average. Next is our highest income. To find out the maximum number, we have a formula here which is max. Then I will open it. Then I will go in the income and select all incomes here and right click over this. So we will find out the max. With maximum formula we can find out the maximum from the range. Next is like, what is how many male and female are there? So first of all we have to solve this male and female. So I will go to equal to, then I will go count if is the formula, then I will open this fx so that we can find out range. So first of all it will asking about the range, so I will take a range here, and from criteria I will click over this male here. So I have already written male so that we can find out, and I will log this range so that we can drag this and find out number of female also. So we have equal number of male and female here. What is the median income here? So if you want to find out the median income, so our question is, what is the median income here? So if you want to find out the median income from this data set, so median income is basically what is a between income, like if you will put them in a sequence, what is the between 5 and 6, what income is between 5 and 6. So I will go equal to, then I will write median here, and then I will select all this income and just click over this. So 74,500 is the median income here. So this way we can find out the median income. Next is our satisfaction level, more than 7. So we have a different satisfaction level here, like first have 8, some first have 9, but we want to only count which are more than 7. So I will equal to, I will put here count if, then I will open this and I will select the range, and then I will put comma, inverted like these inverted commas, and I will put greater than 7 and just close this inverted comma. So it will count only 3 here. So we have taken more than, or if you will want to take the equal to also, so here we will also have to take an equal to as also, and then click. So it will give 5. So it will even include your 7 also. So this way we can create select our satisfaction level. Next is average satisfaction level for each education level. So we have an education level here, and if we want to find out the average satisfaction level, so I will put a formula here equal to here average if, and then I will open this, and then I will go to range, then from range I will take this range, and in criteria, so I will use the formula average if here. In criteria I will take this high school, and from average range I will take this satisfaction level. So we have to find out the satisfaction level according to availability, and I will now log this all the range here, this range, and press OK. So we have this like 3.4 and whatever is the average, it is showing all the numbers here. We can decrease the number here. Next is our percentage of respondent with bachelor or higher degree. Like we have a different level of degrees, and if you want to find out what is the percentage of respondent here, we have bachelor or higher degree. So what I will do, I will put here equal to, and then I will open this, and here I will put count if, and then I will take the range here. So first range is over this, and just click over this, and then here I will take the bachelor. So we want to know only about bachelor, so spelling should be the same, so it should be the same. So I will put bachelors here, and then I will close this plus. So it's a little bit long formula because we have to find out the percentage. So we have a bachelor's, so we have a master's, so high school will not be there, and doctors. Next I will again put this COUNTIF. Again I will take this range, and then this time I will put the name here masters, and just close this, and again I will plus. So I will plus one more, and that is your doctors. So I will again put COUNTIF, bracket open, I will select complete this range again, and then I will close the, I will put here doctors, spelling should be the same, and just close this. So we have doctors, we have masters, so all these people are there. And next thing is we have to divide them with number of element in there. So now what I will do, I will divide them. The formula here is count A, so it will count all the alphabet from them, and then I will multiply it with 100. So there is some problem, so we have to check doctor spelling. I think it's okay. We have doctors, we have masters, we have BACHELOR, bachelors there, COUNTIF. I will just remove this and just check. So here it is showing the problem. We haven't closed this also, so we will close this also. Now we have an answer here. So we have 60% of people where we have degrees of bachelor, masters, and your doctors or masters, or bachelor, doctor, master is there. So COUNTIF formula will count how number of like element are there, and it will count each bachelors and masters and all from them. So and after multiplying with 100 we can get the percentage here. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.